Signalling is according to the latest European regulation for high visibility. Our signalling devices are LED optics to reduce cost consumption and improve visibility. There is an exterior camera on the rear end of the ambulance to check for any obstacles while manoeuvring. We have incorporated new automated controls based on Canvas system, which helps us control every electronic device of the ambulance. There are 5 computers on board, all centralized and controlled within the ambulance. The touch screen we're seeing together with its main controls permits us to take charge of all electronic devices of the vehicle, also letting us know of any malfunctions. We can control air conditioning, lights, siren, and also our onboard cameras. Both the perimeter camera at the back of the vehicle as a very valuable interior camera. As the side door opens, an automated electronic step pops out to assist with access to the interior of the vehicle. These are the first aid backpacks used in our aids when we reach homes, road accidents, beaches, with which we use to stabilise the patient before hospital transfer. We have heat automated drips and also a refrigerator which permits the ambulance to maintain both warm and cold temperatures depending on medication needed. Between both these mechanisms is located the second part of our automated device that allows us to control oxygen, lighting and air conditioning. Above is the interior camera which permits the ambulance driver to control every movement in the interior booth. The electromedicine elements that this intensive care ambulance disposes of are a defibrillator monitor, secretions vacuum, infusion pumps, and an automated ventilator. The various equipments which are used for immobilization in case of fractures. Equipment which helps us to move patients from places with difficult access. A chair that is used when moving patients through stairs. Transfers should be made as comfortable as possible for the patients. The stretcher comes with a fixation and anti-overturn to avoid any movements. The nurse has a space where all necessary equipment is found to assist in aiding the patient. The nurse too has a remote control to control lighting, air conditioning and oxygen without having to get up. Oxygen bottles are equipped with power regulation valves which can be activated from inside. There are 2 portable oxygen bottles which are taken into homes or wherever is needed for a necessary supply of oxygen before moving the patient to the interior of the ambulance.